Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a font that's not already in your font library, how to add it to GoodNotes. So here's our GoodNotes font library, and they right now have a really good collection of fonts, but there may be ones that you want that aren't in there. Like this is one of my favorites, Mountains of Christmas, and this was not in here, so I had to add it to it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a little bit advanced and it's going to require you to get an app and do some jumping around, so you may want to watch this a couple of times. And this again is in GoodNotes. So the first thing you need to do is get this font. So you're going to go to your app store and you're going to type in iFont, and here it is. So it's this multicolored or nice gradient turquoise. So you're going to install that, and that will give you this tool here, iFont. So when it comes on, it's going to come into, right now, if you can see this, it says installed. And you're going to go to Get Fonts. Now you need to be connected to the internet in order to do this. And then you're going to get fonts. So you can go to Google Fonts, DaFont, Free Fonts, FontSpace. We're going to use Google Fonts. And then you're going to pick the font that you want. So I started testing this already, but you can go through and pick any font that you want. So all you have to do is click Get. So I clicked on Get to this Latin one, so I added it. So when you click Get, it'll change to Added. If you look over here, you're going to see a little red number 1 has appeared, and you have it in your files. So you go to your Files tab, and here it is. So you're going to click Installed. So this is the one we just did, and this is the one I did just before that. So I don't really want this font, but I will play with this one. So we're going to hit Install. This is important. You have to hit Allow here. Don't blow through this message right here. This is really important. Review the profile in the Settings app if you want to install it. If I kept blowing through this and couldn't figure out why I couldn't get the font to work, you can't blow through this. So pay attention. You have to go to Settings and approve the profile. So close. We're going to come out of here. We're going to go to Settings. And then here you see Profile Downloaded. And it says there's that font, that Aladdin font that I was playing with. Click Install. You have to enter your password. So we're just going to do that behind the camera. Excuse me. Oops, helps if you don't do it correctly. Okay, so now I'm in. And you're going to install it. And there you go, it's done. So now here's that Mountains of Christmas that I installed, this Jolly Unicorn that I installed, and here's Aladdin Regular. So now, if I go back to GoodNotes and I play with my font and go to my fonts, and I may have to, nope, there it is. So there's Aladdin. So there's that one I just installed, and you can see I had the Mountains of Christmas already in here. I have that Jolly Unicorn. It'll drop in alphabetical order. So that's how you add fonts that aren't already in here. So it's pretty cool. Just remember not to blow through that profile screen, because then you'll keep wondering, why is my font not in this list? So there it is, there's Aladdin. Now you have the ability to use those fonts anytime you want when you're using your text tool. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, watch it a few times to get the hang of it. And right now that iFont is free, so I didn't have to pay for that. And then the Google Fonts are also free, so I don't have any issues with using that. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Happy times adding fonts to your GoodNotes pages.